Komodo National Park is a true natural wonder, located in the Lesser Sunda Islands of Indonesia. This stunning destination covers over 1,800 square kilometers and is home to some of the most breathtaking landscapes and diverse ecosystems in the world. Here are just a few reasons why Komodo National Park is truly unique and worth visiting. Home to the Komodo dragon, one of the biggest draws to Komodo National Park is the opportunity to see the world-famous Komodo dragon in its natural habitat. This large and ferocious lizard is the largest living species of lizard in the world, and can only be found in the wild on a handful of islands in Indonesia, including Komodo and Rinca Island. The Komodo dragons are a critical component of the park's ecosystem and are a testament to the incredible biodiversity of the region. Rich marine ecosystem. Aside from the Komodo dragons, the waters around Komodo National Park are home to an incredible variety of marine life. The park is situated in the Coral Triangle, which is known for having the highest diversity of coral species in the world. This rich marine ecosystem includes over 1,000 species of fish, over 250 species of coral, and over 70 species of sponge. Some of the most iconic marine species that can be seen in the park include manta rays, turtles, sharks, and dugongs. World-class diving and snorkeling. Because of the diverse marine ecosystem, Komodo National Park is one of the best places in the world for diving and snorkeling. The clear waters and vibrant marine life make for an unforgettable underwater experience. Some of the most popular dive sites in the park include Batu Bolong, Manta Point, and Crystal Rock. For those who prefer snorkeling, Pink Beach and the surrounding shallow waters are the perfect spot to see colorful fish and coral up close. Stunning landscapes. In addition to the marine ecosystem, the landscapes of Komodo National Park are simply stunning. The park is home to rugged hills, mountains, and valleys, as well as pristine beaches and hidden coves. One of the most iconic viewpoints in the park is found on Padar Island, which offers a panoramic view of the surrounding islands and sea. Visitors can also trek to the top of Gili Lawa Darat for a breathtaking view of the sunset over the park. Cultural significance. The islands within Komodo National Park have been inhabited by humans for thousands of years, and local communities still live in the park today. The culture and traditions of these communities are a unique aspect of the park's significance. Visitors can learn about the traditional fishing practices of the Baho people, or witness the traditional ceremonies and dances of the Manggarai people. Conservation efforts. Komodo National Park is not only a beautiful and unique destination, but it is also a model for conservation efforts. The park was established in 1980 to protect the Komodo dragon and its habitat, and has since become a leader in conservation efforts for the region. The park's rangers work tirelessly to protect the park's wildlife and ecosystems, and visitors are encouraged to follow responsible tourism practices to minimize their impact on the environment. In conclusion, Komodo National Park is truly a one-of-a-kind destination that offers a unique combination of natural wonder, cultural significance, and conservation efforts. Visitors to the park can experience the thrill of seeing the Komodo dragon in its natural habitat, explore the rich marine ecosystem, marvel at the stunning landscapes, and learn about the local culture and traditions. The park's significance and beauty make it a must-visit destination for any nature lover or adventure seeker. Accessibility. Despite being a remote and isolated destination, Komodo National Park is relatively accessible for travelers. The park is located only a short flight from Bali or Jakarta, and there are regular flights to the town of Labuan Bajo, which serves as the gateway to the park. From there, visitors can take a short boat ride to the islands within the park. There are also a variety of tour operators and accommodation options in the town of Labuan Bajo, making it easy for travelers to plan their visit to the park. Unique flora. In addition to the rich marine life and iconic Komodo dragons, Komodo National Park is also home to a variety of unique flora. The park is home to several endemic plant species, including the lontar palm, which is a key source of livelihood for local communities. The park also features a variety of mangrove forests, which provide important ecosystem services such as carbon sequestration and erosion control. Adventure activities. For those looking for an adrenaline rush, Komodo National Park offers a variety of adventure activities. Visitors can trek to the top of the park's many hills and mountains, including the active volcano on Sangiang Island. There are also opportunities for kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding, and even cliff jumping. For those looking for a more relaxed experience, there are also options for beach camping and leisurely boat cruises. Unique island hopping. Finally, one of the most unique aspects of visiting Komodo National Park is the opportunity to explore the many islands within the park. Each island has its own unique characteristics, from the iconic viewpoint on Padar Island to the traditional villages on Rinca Island. Visitors can easily hop from one island to the next by boat, allowing for a truly immersive experience in the park's diverse landscapes and cultures. In summary, Komodo National Park is a destination like no other. Its unique combination of iconic wildlife, rich marine life, stunning landscapes, and cultural significance make it a must-visit for any traveler. The park's accessibility, conservation efforts, and variety of adventure activities make it an ideal destination for nature lovers, adventure seekers, and anyone looking for a truly unique experience.